Welcome to BA Part 1 Semester First Compulsory English Students in this online education class. So, firstly, welcome to all new students who have taken admission in this Sri Sai Baba Lok Prabodhan Arts College, Patna. I am Assistant Professor Pritesh Telan. So, this is a good college and you have taken admission in this college. It is a good for you. And today we are going to learn introduction of syllabus. Because if you study any subject, so firstly learn syllabus or read syllabus. Syllabus is important. Without syllabus, that subject is not understood. So remember, firstly see syllabus. So as per as rule and regulation, today we are going to discuss about syllabus. So from session 2020 up to 2021, this syllabus has been changed as per norms of RTM Nagpur University. And remember one thing, our college affiliated to RTM Nagpur University Nagpur. So see here syllabus. Rashtrasanat Tukadoji Maharaj Nagpur University syllabus prescribed for BA Part 1 examination semester first. Firstly, we are going to learn in BA first semester. So, firstly, first semester, after that, second semester. And subject is compulsory English. To be implemented from the session 2020 up to 2021 and onward. Means this syllabus is prescribed in this session and after that onward we continue also next session. So here are two types or this syllabus is divided into two parts. Number one part is theory, is for 80 marks, 80 marks, and second part is internal assessment, is for 20 marks. Total marks are 100. So remember. Firstly, prescribed textbook. If you study of this syllabus, so textbook or book is important. So name of that book is A Novel Beginning, edited by Urmila Dabin. There the book name is A Novel Beginning, written by, edited by Urmila David, Priya Vanzari, Renu Dalena, and this book published in Orient Black Sword. This publication is Orient Black Sword. So, if you want to study of this syllabus, you purchase this book, you buy this book and study properly of this. So, firstly, we are going to discuss about objectives of this subject, because if we read this subject, the objectives are very important or purpose very important. If you do any work, there is a purpose important. If you are learning BA Part 1, BA Part 2 and BA Part 3, there is the objective important, the aim is important. Means what shall you become in future, that is important. So here objective. First objective is to generate interest of the student in English language through interesting lesson. So here the first objective to increase interest in English language. So there the means you should like this language. Means your interest should be increased in this language, because this is the interest language and maximum students don't like this language. So your your interest should be increased in this language. That is the first objective of this subject. Second objective is to motivate the student through the life sketches of successful entrepreneurs. Here is means motivate of you to in life, means how to live in the society, how to use this knowledge in the life. That is very important. If you learn this subject, the automatic your personality will be changed and will do properly society, as well as you can get the job on this subject. Third objective is to develop interest in the poetry through poems. Here are the some poetry are prescribed. So automatically or you should develop your interest in poetry, which are easy to comprehend, and that is a very easy to comprehend, to understand this poetry, and you should develop your poetry skill. This is objective. Fourth objective is to make the students understand the poems of different genres. So there are the genres of the poems like lyric, ode, sonnet, elegy, idyll, ballad, satire. So difference means genres of poetry. Your interest should be increased. So that is the fourth objective. And last objective is to make students understand structure of sentence through prescribed grammar. Here is the grammar unit is prescribed. So that's why here is your interest should be increased in sentence. Means you understand how to make, how to write sentence, what is meaning of sentence, you should understand. That is very important. Also we know what is definition of sentence. There is a meaningful systematic arrangement of word. It is called sentence. So you should understand the sentence. Sentence is very important. So there is a grammar unit, and through this unit you understand how to make sentence or what is the meaning of that sentence. So these are the 5 objectives of this subject. Now we are going to learn outcome of this subject. Outcome is very important. Outcome means what is outcome, what is job placement. These are important. Any, if you work any, there the outcome is important. If you own the bees of the parati, so there is the outcome of that parati trees or kapashi trees is kapus. We can take the kapus in the market, we sell that kapus and we get the benefit of that kapus, or we can get monies. Like that also here is outcomes. Means outcomes are very important of this subject. So first outcome is the moral important in prose will have an positive impact on the mindset of the students. So here is through this prose we should understand moral things. Means moral important in prose, and after that through this prose also we have to learn positive things. Means automatically positive impact on the mindset of students. Means positive impact should be learned by you through this prose. Second outcome is the life of the great personalities will motivate them to try to be successful. So here is the second unit is based on the greatest personality. If you read this personality's background or career, so definitely means you can motivate from these greatest personalities. Third objective is the syllabus will contribute to vocabulary enhancement. Also there is a 4 unit that is based on the vocabulary, and through this unit you can enhancement, you can increase your vocabulary. Fourth outcome is The learners will get and the opportunity to study Indian and English poet and develop a critical outlook through comparison. So here is Indian poets, Indian writers as well as English writers. So through these writers you can learn more things or also critical outlook also. And last outcome is the drafting skill of learners will be honed through the prescribed patterns of grammar. There is a grammar unit, definitely you can learn the skill of drafting. You can write properly question answer. You can learn the how to write any topic into English. These are the outcomes. So here we discuss about objective and outcome. So in next video we will learn the next part of this syllabus. So you read properly, you study properly, you read the syllabus, and this is the helpful for your exam. Thank you.